Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is Rudraditya, and in this video I am going to talk about the OnePlus 9R. Well, not about the phone but mainly about the software, the new Android 12. Oxygen OS 12. So in this video I am basically going to cover and share my experience, that how I am feeling using Android 12 on the OnePlus 9R and what changes are here as compared to Android 11, and also I will share my overall experience, that is it good, is it bad, or is it better than Android 11 or not, and also if OnePlus is going on the right track or not. So if you are looking to buy a new OnePlus phone and if you are concerned about the software, then you guys should watch this video, because this is going to be exactly that type of a video. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the review of the Android 12 Oxygen OS 12 of the OnePlus 9R. Alright, so starting first, the update size was 3.8 GB and I got this update from Oxygen Updater application, and at first I didn't know that it was Android 12 update. I heard the news that Android 12 is going to officially launch for the OnePlus 9R, but at that time I wasn't aware. I mean, in Oxygen Updater application I didn't see Android 12 written anywhere, so I just randomly downloaded this update by thinking that it is going to be maybe just a normal security patch update, because in Oxygen Updater application the file size is normally very big. It's always in GBs, so that's why I thought that it's just a normal security patch update. But then I see a huge changes and I was surprised for a moment, because even a normal user, even if you are not a techie, you will immediately notice the new design of fingerprint scanner, the new animations, and then the new home screen layout, the new app drawer. Everything is changed. If we talk about the user interface, then yeah, you will see a huge difference as compared to Android 11. Now, is it bad? Well, definitely not. Especially for someone who likes refreshing things, new things, then you will feel like you're using a new phone. You will feel like that, oh my god, my almost 1-year-old OnePlus 9R now feels like a very new refreshing phone. So that's a good thing if we look at this point. But what about ads and bloatwares? Is there any bloatwares that they pushed through the software? Then yeah, good news, there is no bloatwares, there is no ads, and I have been using this update from last 6 days. So yeah, there is no ads. Well, do let me know in the comment box, are you guys using the Android 12 on OnePlus 9R or not? So talking about the interface, then as I already told you, even the notification panel, settings panel, battery usage interface, everything has changed. Well, the interface of About phone is still like typical OnePlus, so I like that. Well, in short, it's still very much inspired from the ColorOS. The animations and the interface is very much similar to what we are used to see in ColorOS. However, one thing they didn't change in terms of interface is the interface of camera. The camera interface is still the same like we used to see in the Oxygen OS 11. So that's a relief, because I don't like the camera interface of ColorOS 12. So yeah, that's all the changes in the interface part. But then you will get to see a new self mode. So you can actually launch the self from top right corner by swiping down. You will go into self mode, and that self mode is good. I mean, OnePlus self is good. You will get a lot of informations about your step, data usage, storage usage, and then you will get to see like you can access Spotify, you can write down notes, and also you can see the scores of your favorite teams. But the problem with this OnePlus self mode is that when you try to go back, they will drag you forcefully to the home page. Like suppose that I open YouTube, okay, and maybe I enable self mode. I want to see the score. I don't want to open any cricketing apps, so I enable that self mode. But now if I swipe up, then I will go to the home page, not to that YouTube application or anywhere else where I'm operating the things. So that was very annoying. So my feedback to OnePlus is that yeah, your OnePlus self mode is good, it's very good. So but if we try to go back, please don't force us to go to the home page. Like, it should work like a notification panel. If we bring down the notification panel and then if we bring up, we remain on that particular YouTube page or any other applications. We don't go to the home page. So you should definitely change this. But yeah, it was very annoying at first, so I definitely disable this. You can also disable this by launching this OnePlus self, and then you can see the settings icon on the top. Tap on it and then you can see this launch self from top right corner. Just disable this and then you won't get that self anymore. So now you can swipe from the right top corner and you won't get that. So yeah, that's a relief. Now you are a happy user. Now talking about small things, so the animations, yeah, the animations like opening and closing of applications are so good. The animations are smooth, and the overall software is still very lightweight, so it doesn't feel slow and anything like that. So it's very good. Yeah, the animations are smooth but slow. In OnePlus phones, like in the Oxygen OS 11 or below, what I noticed that the animations are smooth plus fast, so that was a different type of feeling. I know I am doing very nitpicking and I am talking about very small thing which maybe most of the users may never notice, but yeah, as a tech enthusiast I notice these things, and these small things makes difference in my day-to-day task, in my day-to-day usage. So that's why I'm mentioning here, and I'm pretty much sure that a lot of tech enthusiasts like me can also relate to this, isn't it? If you can, do let me know in the comment box. And one more thing I noticed, that if I swipe up to open the app drawer, and then if I will swipe down, then I will again go back to the home page, and I can do this for eternity, no problem, there is no bugs. But if I will swipe up, and now if I am in app drawer, and now if I am swiped down to see some applications, and now suppose that I am again at the top of my applications, and now if I will try to go back to my home, then I just can't go. I have to swipe from the top to go to the home. So I mean, why not I can go to the home screen while swiping down from anywhere of the display. Like if I will do this, see, it's a smooth process, but if I will scroll in the app drawer, then I can't do that. See, it stuck. So that is again a very small thing, but a little annoying thing, so that's why I mentioned it here. Alright, now I want to talk about two more things. One is a good thing, second one is a bad thing. The good thing is that I am so glad that they didn't merge the mobile data and Wi-Fi mode in one container, in one toggle. I mean, like in Google Pixel 6, that was merged in one toggle, and that was super annoying. Like whenever you have to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi and mobile data respectively, so you have to go into that toggle, and then you have to go again one more step to operate all those things. And now here I can just do it with one tap. So this is, I mean, freaking good. And I mean, Pixel should also keep it like this only. I mean, why they merge this, I have no idea. And also operating the brightness slider in OnePlus phone is still like one swipe down, whereas in Pixel phones it's two steps. Now you have to swipe down 2 times to actually see that brightness slider. So that's an additional thing. This is also I like I can adjust my brightness with just one swipe, whereas in Pixel phones I have to swipe down 2 times. So that was also kind of annoying. Now bad thing is again related to the brightness slider and also the volume slider. Like in Android 11 in OnePlus 9R, when I adjust the brightness or volume slider, I get a very good vibration, and that feels very rich. Yeah, the vibration on this phone is already good, but they implemented that thing very well, and now that's gone. I mean, come on OnePlus, why you are removing features? Please add that vibration, that haptic feedback in the future updates, please. And in the starting, in the OnePlus 9R, that feature was not available. I mean, that vibration was not available. They added that vibration with the OTA update, and now with Android 12 they removed it, because after all this is inspired from ColorOS. Yeah, at the last moment they couldn't make a lot of changes, I guess, so that's why it's little bit like ColorOS in some departments, in some regards. I mean, 50% user interface looks like ColorOS, but I am glad that they didn't include ads and bloatwares. So I am fine because it's smooth, it's bug free, so I have no problem personally. But yeah, you should definitely add those vibrations into the volume slider and brightness slider, and also make your OnePlus self better so that we can use it. I don't think that you guys are going to use that OnePlus self currently at the moment. If you are agree with me, hit the like button. And if we talk about other things, like what other features you are going to get with the Android 12, then you will get improved canvas AOD, always on display, I mean, which brings you new diverse styles of lines and colors for a more personalized lock screen experience with inspiring visuals, they said. And they also optimized software algorithm and improved face recognition to better identify the features and the skin color of different figures. Well, talking about gallery, then personally I don't use OnePlus gallery, I use Google Photos, so I don't care about that update. So yeah, basically you can see the screenshot here, so what changes you are going to get in the gallery. Well, talking about dark mode, then now you will get 3 different type of dark mode, and currently I am using the enhanced dark mode, and trust me, this is good. This is a good thing that you can actually you can go into dark mode settings and you can change the dark mode style. You can change it to medium or gentle and enhanced. In enhanced you will get those deep blacks, in medium you will get little less deeps, and in gentle you will get gray, not black. So these are the 3 modes, so it's up onto you that what type of things you like, and maybe you are someone who doesn't like dark mode at all, so light mode is also available for you. Anyway, well, talking more, then I haven't noticed those cool looking widgets of clock and weather here. Maybe with future update we will get to see. And if we talk about the battery life of the OnePlus 9R, then I guess over the time the health degraded in this phone. Earlier, in 5 months, 6 months of usage, I get 6 hours of screen on time. 6+ hours of screen on time very easily, sometimes 7+ hours. And in my initial phases, I also get 8 to 9 hours of screen on time on this phone as well. And I was super happy with the battery performance. But now from last 2 months, or let's say 1.5 months, I'm getting 4.5 to 5.5 hours of screen on time. So that's one disappointment. I also used to think that maybe because of the recent updates that is happening, but no, with Android 12 also I am getting 5.5 hours of screen on time. Sometimes maybe I will get 6, but now that's very rare. So that's one thing, definitely the battery performance degraded, and I guess that's not the problem of software, that's the the battery health degraded over the time. But apart from this, yeah, the software is still good. It's not very good, it's not improved, I would say, but yeah, it's refreshing, it's new, and it's not bad either, but it's not very good either. And I hope with Android 13, with Oxygen OS 13, OnePlus will make this software more like a Oxygen OS, like a true Oxygen OS, not like Color OS. So I'm hoping for the best with Android 13, but as I said, at the last moment they couldn't change a lot of things, because now they announced that in India they are going to keep the Oxygen OS in OnePlus phones. They are not going to merge with Oppo's Color OS, so that's a good news. So yeah, if you are looking to buy a OnePlus phone and if you are concerned about the software, then I guess you should not worry much and you should go for it, because I guess this is still the best software which you will get in Android phones. And you can say that Pixel is there, but in India Pixel phones are not available. So stock Android is good, but this is also good. And also One UI is, a lot of people prefer One UI as well, but you will get to see bloatwares in One UI phones as well. So if you want bloatless and adless experience, then still OnePlus is here, and I don't think that it's bad. So yeah, that's my opinion about the new Android 12 update. Well guys, if you enjoyed what you watched, definitely hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if this is your first time. Tap the bell icon, select all to get all the notifications of my videos, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.